Welcome back, Wanderers. Today we're taking a look at the all-new Hiboy S2 Nova, and right now it is very highboy. This is designed for riders who want an affordable, lightweight scooter that's easy to take just about anywhere. Whether you're commuting to work, riding around campus, or just cruising the neighborhood, this one checks a lot of boxes, actually. One of the first things you'll notice is just how light it is. It only weighs about 34 pounds, so picking it up, loading it into your trunk, or carrying it up a flight of stairs is much easier than with a lot of larger scooters. The power on the Nova comes from a 350 watt rear motor with up to 420 watts of peak power, giving the scooter a top speed of 19 miles an hour. And yes, we went 19 miles an hour plenty of time. And it's pretty quick for city riding and neighborhood cruising. And that was actually beach cruising. It was kind of gnarly when I hit a little sandy patch on the bike path, scooter path right there along the beach. When you're going 19 miles an hour on something like this, you gotta pay attention. Hiboy says that the Nova will tackle hills up to about a 15% grade. So smaller hills and bridges shouldn't be a problem. I took it on about a 20% grade, needed a little bit of help, had to use my foot and give it a little kick here and there, but we made it up. As far as battery and range, the scooter is powered by a 36 volt, 9 amp hour lithium battery, and Hiboy rates it for up to 20 miles of range on a full charge. I think a more realistic number for a heavier rider that is climbing a few hills here and there is probably more like 15 to 20 miles, which is still really good. Now, like every electric scooter, your real world range is going to depend on your weight, terrain, wind, temperature, and how aggressive you ride. For typical commuting and running errands around town, that should be plenty for most riders. I will say the ride quality was better than expected for a smaller scooter. One feature I really like is the tire setup. Up front, you've got a solid tire, so you don't have to worry about getting flats on the front wheel. And in the rear, Hiboy uses a pneumatic air-filled tire, which helps absorb bumps much better than two solid tires would. On top of that, they've added rear suspension, so together the air tire and the suspension help smooth out rough pavement, sidewalk joints, and everyday road imperfections. So depending on where you live and where you ride it, that could actually help out a lot. That could be a deciding factor for this scooter. Now, Hiboy added a few safety features we should talk about real quick. When it comes to stopping, the S2 Nova uses a combination of an electric brake, a rear drum brake, and electronic ABS, giving you smooth, controlled braking without being overly grabby. The scooter is also IPX4 water resistant rated, while the actual battery carries an IPX5 rating, so it'll handle light rain or wet roads, but I wouldn't recommend riding it through heavy storms or deep puddles or anything like that. Another nice bonus is the Hiboy smartphone app. Once connected, you can monitor battery life, check your mileage, switch riding modes, and even remotely lock the scooter for a little extra peace of mind when you're away from it. And that's cool because a lot of scooters don't offer smartphone apps. You think they would? It's 2026. Hiboy redesigned the handlebars on the S2 Nova. The bars are now 19.2 inches wide, giving you a more natural riding position and better leverage for steering. It's a small change, but it really makes the scooter feel more stable and comfortable, especially on longer rides. As far as lighting goes, if you ride in the evenings, Hiboy includes a full LED lighting system with a bright front headlight, a rear tail light, and even ambient deck lighting, making you more visible to cars and pedestrians after dark. So to wrap up, who is the Hiboy S2 Nova really for? I would say this scooter is ideal for commuters, college students, RV travelers like myself, or anyone looking for an affordable electric scooter that's lightweight, folds up easily, and doesn't sacrifice ride quality. And I really like that this doesn't get in the way. It just folds down right here, clicks right here, you pick it up, you put it in your trunk or wherever you're going to store it. It's not trying to be a 40-mile-per-hour performance scooter. Instead, it's focused on being dependable, comfortable, portable, and easy to live with every day. It knows what it is and what it's not. And honestly, for someone who wants an everyday transportation solution without spending a fortune, the Hiboy S2 Nova looks like a really solid option. I'd like to take a minute to thank Hiboy for sponsoring this video, and I can't wait to try some more Hiboy electric scooters and bikes.
Riding on my Nova, scooting all over.